starts raining on us. Just get all soaked.
Oh, the door opens.
Woo!
Oh, shit. Oh. Oh. What the fuck? Damn.
I'm sick. They're out. I recently had the honor of attending an Eagles concert at the Sphere in Las Vegas, and it was nothing short of extraordinary. From the music to the venue itself, this was an experience that combined legendary artistry with futuristic technology. Today, I'll share my full review, along with some tips to help you make the most of your trip to this incredible venue. Firstly, let's talk logistics. Getting to the Sphere is surprisingly convenient if you plan ahead. I stayed at Treasure Island, which I highly recommend. It's not only a great hotel, but it's also just a short walk to the Sphere. Perfect if you want to avoid the hassle of parking and traffic. For those driving, the Sphere has parking available, but it fills up quickly, so I suggest arriving early. Alternatively, rideshares like Uber and Lyft drop off close to the venue, making it a stress-free option. The Sphere is a masterpiece. As you approach it, the sheer scale and innovative design make it stand out even among the glitz of the Las Vegas Strip. Inside, it's a whole different world. The seats are comfortable, the acoustics are impeccable, and the 16K resolution wraparound screen creates a fully immersive environment. Every detail is designed to pull you into the moment. Before the show even began, the Sphere set the mood with stunning pre-show visuals and an electric atmosphere. The energy in the room was palpable, with fans buzzing in anticipation. It wasn't just a concert, it felt like an event. This build-up added to the excitement, setting the stage for a night we'd never forget. The Eagles delivered exactly what you'd expect from a band of their caliber: perfection. From their harmonies to their instrumentals, every note was spot on. But what made this concert so unique was how the Sphere elevated the performance. The visuals during songs like Hotel California and Life in the Fastlane were jaw-dropping, creating a symphony of sound and sight that immersed you completely. Joe Walsh's solos paired with the Sphere's dazzling effects were absolute showstoppers. The atmosphere inside the Sphere was like nothing I've experienced before. It wasn't just a concert, it was a shared moment of awe. The crowd was a mix of diehard Eagle fans and newcomers, all united in amazement at what we were witnessing. People were singing along, swaying to the music, and occasionally just sitting back, wide-eyed, taking it all in. The visuals on the Sphere's screen were so vivid and dynamic that you'd catch people around you pointing and gasping as if they were seeing a live movie unfold. It felt intimate, yet monumental. This was more than just a night of music. It was an experience that combined the nostalgia of the Eagles' greatest hits with the cutting-edge innovation of the Sphere. If you're planning to attend a show here, I can't recommend Treasure Island as your base enough. It's affordable, comfortable, and perfectly situated for easy access to the venue. And, if you can, arrive early to soak in the pre-show atmosphere. Trust me, this is something you'll remember for a lifetime. Thank you for joining me as I relive this extraordinary night. If you're heading to Las Vegas, make it a priority to visit the Sphere. Whether it's for the Eagles or another event, it's an experience like no other. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and reviews. Until next time, take it easy.